Did you know that warts can be successfully removed with duct tape? By the end of this video, you will understand how to use duct tape to get rid of those ugly bumps on your skin. Good morning, health-minded people. I'm Dr. Snow, and I learned about using duct tape to get rid of warts about 25 years ago, but evidently somebody tried it way back in 1978. Warts are harmless bumps on the skin that are caused by HPV or human papillomavirus, and they'll go away by themselves in a few weeks to up to 2 years. But if you don't want to wait that long, and you don't want to go to the doctor to have them frozen off, and you don't want to use harsh chemicals to burn them off with an over-the-counter product, you might want to try duct tape. But do not use this treatment for warts on the face or in the genital area. Those warts need to be treated by a physician. First, soak the area in warm water for about 5 or 10 minutes just to soften the wart. Then, using an emery board, just rough up the top of the wart to get the dead skin off. Do not use this emery board for anything other than that wart because warts are contagious and you can spread them to other parts of your body if you use it elsewhere, even on your nails. Next, you're going to want to cut a small piece of duct tape, just enough to cover the area. Place it over the area and press it down well. You may want to put an adhesive bandage over the area just to help it stay on. This needs to stay in place for the next 4 to 7 days, and if it falls off, go ahead and replace it with more duct tape. After 4 to 7 days, remove the duct tape, soak it in warm water again, using the same emery board. Buff it out, remove all the dead skin, and leave it open to the air for the next approximately 12 hours. Repeat this cycle every 4 to 7 days until the wart is completely gone. This treatment can be used on common warts on the body or implantar warts on the bottoms of the feet. If the wart starts to bleed or becomes extremely raw, stop the treatment, and it may be time to consult with your physician. If you've ever suffered from cold sores or fever blisters and want to know what natural treatments actually work, watch this video next. Duct tape is one of the few proven non-medication ways to get rid of warts. So if you don't want to use harsh chemicals, you should probably stick to duct tape. So what's your favorite way of removing warts? Leave your answer in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to my channel where I post a new video every Monday that's designed to help you navigate the sometimes confusing healthcare system. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to get rid of warts with common duct tape. Stay healthy, stick with duct tape, and have a blessed week.